Welcome to Lydia's Cuisine. Today I'll be showing you how to make buffalo style chicken wings and blue cheese dressing. Welcome. For the ingredients you'll need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a tablespoon of cayenne, about 3 pounds of chicken wings, and salt. You'll need about half a cup of melted butter, some lemon, and some hot sauce. And then for the blue cheese dressing, you'll need crumbled blue cheese, sour cream, mayonnaise, half and half. So I'm gonna put in some cayenne pepper in the flour mixture and mix it up in. And some salt to taste. Then I'm gonna toss in the chicken wings in the flour mixture. I already washed the chicken wings. Just rub them in the flour mixture like that. Rub them in. Meanwhile, you can preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna put the chicken wings in the fryer halfway through. I'm not gonna fill up the basket. Just like that. I'm gonna put it in my fryer and let it fry for about 8 minutes until I'm not gonna fry them until they are almost done. I'll just fry them for about 8 minutes because I'm gonna put them later in the oven to cook properly. While the chicken is frying, I'm gonna make the hot sauce. So I'm gonna measure about half a cup of hot sauce. You can use any hot sauce of your choice. I'm gonna add a little bit. Let's say I'm gonna use 3/4 cups of hot sauce. And then I'm gonna mix in the melted butter, and I'll squeeze in the lemon. And I'm gonna mix this thoroughly like this. This is where I'm gonna toss in the chicken wings after I've fried them. When the chicken wings are browned a little bit, I can now drain the oil and put them on a paper towel like that. After removing the chicken wings from the oil, I'm gonna put them in the hot sauce mixture like this. Put them in the hot sauce and toss them around like that. You can toast them like this. so they can be well coated. With the hot sauce mixture. After this, I'm gonna place them on a baking sheet or baking tray, and I'm gonna bake them for about 15 minutes until they are golden brown. So I'm gonna place them on the baking sheet like that. Don't pile them up, just put them in single file. Now I'm gonna place them in the oven. And I'll set the timer for about 15 minutes. So while the chicken wings are baking in the oven for 15 minutes, I'm gonna prepare the blue cheese dressing. For the blue cheese dressing, you'll need about 1 cup of mayonnaise, you'll need about half a cup of half and half, you can find these ingredients in your local store or supermarket. Then I'll need about 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Mix that up. Then I'm gonna put in the blue cheese dressing. I'm gonna mix it in like that. Then I'm gonna finish with the lemon. I'll squeeze in half a lemon. Just like that. And the blue cheese dressing is ready. If you don't want to deep fry your chicken wings, alternatively you can bake them for about 30 minutes in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and then toast them in the hot sauce mixture later. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, God bless you. Thank you.